Alright guys, now all you do is you prime the line. And now, check this out. Look how far this can shoot. Hello my friends and welcome back. So for today's video, we are checking out these water guns. However, these are not like your typical water guns. And we're gonna demonstrate them for you. So if you guys really wanna have a water gun battle, come on, you guys gotta step it up. And parents out there, if you want your kids to be the best water gun battler, then you guys definitely want to get your kids this. I'm pretty excited to test this out. So this is a pump action water gun. So yeah, there's a little piece that was blocking the trigger. But basically, you fill this up with water and you are ready to shoot. Let's see here. Go over, show you guys up close a little bit what it looks like. You got your trigger right in here. Fill your water up right up in here. Pump action right up in here. So let's go ahead and check out the other style here. And then let's fill them up and test them out, my friends. Show you guys what you're missing out. So just pull this little piece away from the trigger. Again, we got the blue, orange cap, blue and black, white design here. Again, pump action. So let's go fill them up with water and show you guys how they work.